Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So it's been about 2 weeks that I have been using the Android Auto on my 2020 Honda GoldWing Tour DCT. And in this video, I thought to share my thoughts on it, what I think about it. So let's get started. Before we start, I would like to mention that not every cable works with the Android Auto. It's not similar to the Apple CarPlay where you have to use the OEM Apple cable. With this one, I had an incident where, I bought a cable from Amazon that didn't work. Then our friend on one of the GoldWing groups, Sid, recommended to buy another one on Amazon, and I've just received that about 5 days back, and it's working perfectly fine. Let me show you which ones I got that wasn't working and which one's working. So these two cables I got on Amazon. The first one is Anchor. This works for about 2 to 5 minutes, and then I get a communication error with this one. The second one I bought is the 3-pack iSeeker kit, and this one works perfectly fine. I've just tested it for about 5 days, and this one does work, like I said, but the error that I get. So let me show you what error you get. So this is the communication error that I get. I just plugged in the Anchor cable, and that's what I got. So this is just to show all of you, in case any one of you gets that message, that communication error with Android phone, that not to worry. It's basically you need to change a cable that works. I don't know why that happens. I'm not able to figure that out yet. I have to mention the cable that's giving me the error is the one with the USB 3.0. So could be the 3.0, and I don't know what it is, but just wanted you to see and know why it is. So this is what happens as soon as the Android Auto is connected and it's working fine. The first thing that opens up is your Google Maps. As you can see on my screen, that's what's appearing, and I love about it. Typically what you want to access is I'm either accessing music or this, and it's working perfectly fine. Before we start, I would like to thank all my existing subscriber and supporters to the channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos and letting me know how I can improve myself or what you would like to see. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. So the hype, everyone was about that, okay, Android Auto, and everyone was missing it. I have to say I was one of them too, who was missing and wanted the Android Auto to be launched as soon as possible. And now that it's there, and I've been testing it for a couple of weeks, and once my cable worked fine, I was able to test much more and see what's there. So the first thing, like I said, opens is the Google Maps. You get everything. This is me while riding, so just showing you the operation and what you can use. Make sure you're attentive of the road. I hope you all are mindful of what's happening in your surroundings while playing around with the Android Auto or changing anything. But yeah, for me, typically I'm either using Maps or I'm using the TuneIn radio station. That's what it is. I would love to have YouTube on it to listen to music, but YouTube requests that you need to have the premium version, so I'm holding on it for now. I think I might end up going on it because I do listen to some music from time to time. Notifications are very easy and nice the way they appear here. To be honest, I actually like Android Auto. It's very nice, very handy. It's just what confuses me is because I keep switching. I have one Android phone and one Apple, so I keep switching between the both, and the operation for both is different. To press the back button and then go back and do anything. But overall, I absolutely love it. It's a very nice feature. Definitely, if you have an Android Auto and you are an Android phone user, so why not? Why not to have it? But yeah, let me quickly show you as well how destination input works. So let's try inputting a destination while I'm riding to test and see how it works. I haven't tried myself before, but I heard it works good. Take me to Toronto. There you go. It took some time. It's navigated to Toronto. I didn't have to do anything, and I don't even have to press any button, right? Nothing at all. It's I just said, hey Google, take me to Toronto, and it said the destination, which is amazing. The least I have to use my fingers to navigate around it, the worse it is. So this is definitely something that I love about it. Like I said, I've never used it before on the motorcycle, but used it before outside. So this is the first time I'm testing this feature, just to show it to you guys. It shows me 49 minutes, 58 kilometers. That's how far Toronto is from where I live. And all I need to do is navigate. Let's try and see if I can cancel this route. I'm sure I have that option. I could press the cross and cancel it there, but I would like to use the voice feature to have it canceled. Let's try cancel route. There you go. That was quick. Route got canceled, right? So I guess everything, you can do everything while just speaking, and it all works. I hope this helps any one of you. So this was a short quick video demonstration just to show you how the Android Auto and in particular the Google Maps work. I wish Honda takes some information, or like I would say, they get some sense out of it and try to partner with Google and change their navigation system to Google Maps. That is something definitely missing. I don't feel much of a difference when I'm using the Honda navigation from what it used to be. In fact, to be honest with you, I don't like the navigation even after the upgrade. It's okay. The Honda navigation is okay. It does work if needed. I would say if I don't have a cellular coverage and I'm stuck somewhere, then that's all that I have and that's all I can use, right? But on a regular day, if I had to use that, I wouldn't use the navigation at all. Yeah, for me, Google Maps, or I can even plug in my Apple CarPlay and use Google Maps on that, and that is what I would be using if I have to use. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to, you need some help or information regarding anything, or you would like to see something in my next video. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and talk to you soon.